Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to connect Printful to TikTok Shop. First, log into your Printful and TikTok Shop accounts. This will help with streamlining the connection. In our Printful dashboard, we will go to Stores and we will click Choose Platform. From here, we will click TikTok Shop. And we will be able to authorize the US. This will take us to our TikTok shop and it will let us know that on hold orders will not be used with this app. It will stay in that awaiting shipment piece instead of on hold. We'll click continue and we'll go through and update our email address and add a phone number if we like to our install pieces, and then click confirm to install. In here, it will go over what Printful needs to connect with TikTok Shop and sync back and forth. So we'll click I acknowledge and then we'll click authorize. This will add the Printful app to our TikTok Shop. So we'll go through connect store, and it will add the store to our Printful account. From here, you can add products and product templates to here to list on your TikTok shop. So that is how to connect Printful to TikTok shop.